Well, we knew a lot of organisations were really interested in AI, and we know from our research that it's important to think not just about AI, which is a very abstract thing in itself, but to think about systems that are enabled by artificial intelligence. We taught it in our master's program. We then took it into workplaces as a one-day program. We then brought it back into the master's program and iterated each time. And then this particular teaching award is for a version that we then iterated again into virtual format in the context of COVID-19. We partnered with Microsoft to do that, and we asked ourselves, well, what would happen if we took content from a semester and turned it into a week? And what would that look like if we took the best bits or the most important parts and turned it into a day? And what would that look like if we took some of that and turned it into half a day? And that's what we did.
So what might you take from today? Well, I hope it's 3 things. First, always look underneath the tidy diagrams and the flashy narratives to unpack the complexity they hide. 2, well, the 4th Industrial Revolution calls for new skills and practitioners that don't exist yet. So ask questions, dig into history, get into the mess, look for what's missing. And number 3, well, there's a lot more to keep learning.
So our team working on this project included our director, Genevieve, and included our education experiences lead, Dr. Amy McLennan, and then myself, I work in engagement and impact at the school, and Juliette as one of our research assistants. We took a lot of content from our experimental master's program to kind of draft a script and really prepare it as if we were filming a film.
Yeah, I guess because we were writing a script for Genevieve to perform, it was really important that we sort of channeled like her voice to make it sort of feel authentic and true to her ideas and her perspective.
And who was the Genevieve stand-in imitator?
That was me.
Can we hear it?
She'd never let me hear
that. I can't have that on film.
So they'll be in the curriculum, and of course that's available to master's students. Hopefully, with any luck, probably and hard work, we'll also be offering more and more opportunities for schools and for people in a range of community and industry settings and policy settings to participate in short course content, in other forms of learning experience, because we're really keen to take this beyond the walls of the university.